Hey, what is up, guys? So today we will be going over on how you can install the Gcam onto your OnePlus 8 device. So it's just a quick run as to how it looks. So right now I downloaded the Gcam on this camera. So as you can tell, the color adjustment is definitely more accurate when you're tapping it onto the screen. And now go and put it to the default camera for the OnePlus 8. So right now I'll tap it again to brighten it up. Shot. And then same shot. Tap. So let's go to the photos. So there's the taken by the Gcam, and then this is taken by the OnePlus camera. So you can tell the Gcam is the color is a little bit more real comparing to the OnePlus original camera. But regardless, I think the Gcam actually does provide. Let's try it again. So the focus on the Gcam is actually a little bit quicker comparing to the. So this is the OnePlus camera, and then this is Gcam. The Gcam actually came out a little bit darker, but the color is more real to the setting. But when I was trying to do it at low light situation, it was basically doing a little bit. Let's do another shot. So this is the Gcam. Let's pick care of the aloe plant. Tap to focus, and then let's try the OnePlus camera. So the OnePlus camera, they even adjust the lighting on this. So this is the OnePlus camera, and then this is the Gcam. So the Gcam seems to have, better color to its picture comparing to the OnePlus. But regardless, I think both of these pictures look fairly decent when comparing to the photos. So and one thing that I want to point out is, as you can tell, that the original camera does include all of these features, like time elapse, slow motion, and then also the video, it has the Y angle, and then the zoom. Same goes with the photos, and then the portrait shot as well, and nice Gabe. But when you go to, even for time elapse, that's the ultra wide and then the zoom. But when you go to the Google camera, you're missing, the ultra wide and zoom option. When you're trying to zoom in, so you can zoom in, but when you try to zoom out, you're only going at 1x. You're missing out on the ultra zoom. The ultra wide option. Same goes with the video, 1x only, but you can zoom to up to 5x. So there's something that you have to pay attention to. So one thing that's cool that they included was the photosphere. That is not an option for your default OnePlus camera. So it's good to have this on the backup to have this downloaded. So I'm going to give you a link to download this Gcam for your OnePlus. I'm going to leave the link below. So basically, this app is what I downloaded. So this is the app that I downloaded. So once you download it, you can just install to your device, and then I'll click install again, So once it's installed, you'll see it on your app drawer, and then you can start playing around with this Gcam. And then I'm going to take a couple more pictures and videos as side-by-side comparison between the G camera and also the OnePlus camera. Leave a comment below, if you have any questions about this, and please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.